Hi, this is Josh Romick, manager at Willis Chevrolet, and I just want to take a moment to introduce you to our trainer here from Rhino Bed Linings, a new addition that we're adding here at Willis Chevrolet to get your truck bed liner. So, Brandon, if you could take a few minutes and talk about what we've got going on here.
So my name is Brandon Gray. I work for Rhino Linings Corporation. So we are doing a training with Willis Chevrolet. What this is, they are high pressure spraying or hybrid liner. And what that is, it's a polyurethane blend, so you get the best of both worlds. It's a very good product. Everybody really likes it. I think everybody in Iowa is going to like it. Definitely everybody that buys from Willis. So as far as what Willis Chevrolet is doing here is they are applying this with high pressure, one-to-one cutting edge Graco equipment. They've been trained in prep, spraying, masking, everything. Everything that's done here is going to be covered under the Rhino nationwide warranty. So if you get your truck sprayed here in Iowa and you move to California and have an issue with it, Rhino will get it covered in California for you.
Well, thank you, Brandon, and thanks for being here. And as you can see, this truck, this is our first one, and it looks fantastic. So if you want to check it out, go to willischevy.com, take a look and give us a call, and we'll get you a bed liner installed as soon as we can. So thank you, and thanks for watching.